Hello everybody, today we're going to learn how to get the area and volume of a cylinder. So just so you know, area is squared, volume is cubic centimeters. We're going to work with centimeters. So we're going to start with how to get the area. That it is actually more difficult than how you get the volume. So to get the area of a circle, the area of a cylinder, first we need to get the area of the circle on top of the cylinder, because every cylinder has a circle on top. So let's say the radius is 2 centimeters. And if you want to do this, you have to watch my previous video about how to get the area and circumference of a circle. Otherwise, this will be pretty difficult. So that's the radius. And with that, we're gonna get the circumference and area of a circle first. So how you get the area of a circle? It is pi 2 r, so that means 2 times 2, 4 times pi, so that means 3.14 times 4, 16 plus 1, 4, 5, 12.56. So that means that all these calculations lead to 12.56. That is the area of this circle. Now, how do you get the circumference? The circumference is 2 times 2, which is again 4. So basically, we can say that the circumference and the area of this circle is the exact same. Yeah, I know, it's the exact same. So the circumference is 12.56, meaning that if you open a cylinder, imagine a paper roll, a toilet paper roll. When you open it, they look like this, right? They look like this, like that, like about that. They look like that. So that means that it can turn into a rectangle. And by getting the circumference of the circle, we calculated that this was 12.56 centimeters. And also, we can just use a ruler to get what this is. We're just gonna say it's like 10 centimeters. Let's just guess it's 10 centimeters, because I don't have a ruler on me right now. So that would mean that one side is 12.56. We can just turn that into 13, like why not? We can just turn that into 13 centimeters. If you want a correct calculation, you shouldn't do that, but I'm just doing that to make it easier. And you probably know how to get the area of a rectangle. It is 13 times 10, because it's this side times this side. So that means that the answer is 130. So the area of the rectangle, this thing in the middle here, is 130. And we calculated that the area of the circle was 12.56, so about 13. So that should mean that, because there's one circle on the bottom and one circle on the top of a cylinder, we should be able to do 13 plus 13, which is equal to 26, plus 130. And that is equal to 156. So the area of this cylinder is 156. Yeah. And now, how do you get the volume of a cylinder? You might think it's harder, but actually it's really not harder than how to get the area. It's actually, in fact, it's much, much easier. So let's just have the cylinder here again. That cylinder. We can say that the diameter is, let's say that the radius here is 3 centimeters. Okay, so now it's 3 centimeters now. Yeah, it's 3 centimeters, meaning that pi to get the area of, first we need to get the area of the circle, just so you know. So the area of the circle, how to get that is pi times r2, which makes that pi times 3 times 3. And 3 times 3 is equal to 9, and 9 times 3.14. I'm not gonna give the answer to that. 9 times, what am I doing? 3.14. That is the answer. So I'm gonna quickly calculate it. Wait. That's 392 plus 1. Oh, that's a 3. I need to remember that's a 3. 28.26. 28.26. So we have that number, and 28.26. 28.26. And now you notice that we need to get this, because we need to know how tall the cylinder is. And let's say it is 10 centimeters to make it easier. And that means that we can say like this: the circle is like a lot of millions of slivers just going down into the cylinder. So that's how we can think of it to make it much easier. So that means that we have to do 28.26 times 10, which is equal to 222.6 centimeters, cubic centimeters. Yeah, and on the last one where I wrote area, the answer for area, I should have written not cubic. What is the other one called? Okay, but you know that thing where you put a 2 over it, squared. Yeah, the squared. I forgot to put that, but you probably already know that by now. So please leave a like and subscribe if you like this video for more math and science and geometry and stuff like that videos. And goodbye.